welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So in today's video I'm going to recommend you 10 moisturizers, and all the moisturizers that I'm going to recommend is going to be for different skin types, and all different skin types can get one recommendation out of this video for sure. तो मैंने ऐसा एक वीडियो बनाया था on face washes where I recommended 15 face washes and face washes for acne prone skin in the past. So do check it out if you want suggestions. This is going to be specifically like on moisturizer. मैंने उस वीडियो में भी बोला था कि मुझे moisturizer का भी बनाना है. And all the moisturizers that I'm going to share with you today is something that I've used, I've reviewed most of them. So everything is tried and tested by me. And I'm going to specifically also tell for whom that is and all that. Obviously continue watching. Before starting off, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon. That will mean a lot. If you don't hit the bell icon, you will not get the notifications whenever I upload my videos. And you can follow my Instagram pages. Everything will be linked in the description, and even the products ka link will be in the description, so you can check that out later. Okay, let's get begin. Pond's. So this is the Pond's moisturizers. This is something that everyone has talked about. I'm sorry if the label has gone. This is the gel one which has hyaluronic acid, and this is the light moisturizer which is for mostly dry skin. This is like which has vitamin E and glycerin. These two moisturizers is something that I use so much underneath makeup because it is very non-sticky. At the same time बहुत ही अच्छा skin को hydration देता है. It is not sticky at all, and this is not that moisturizer जो आपको चिपचिप लगता है, and this will not feel that greasy on your skin as well. After applying moisturizer, you feel that greasiness. That's the reason when I was younger, I used not wear moisturizers so bad, but this doesn't do any of it. Plus it has those active ingredients that is going to work on your skin. Hyaluronic acid is basically a humectant. It is going to get back all the moisture in your skin. If you have dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, whatever skin type, this is very good. This is gel based, so this is very good for dry oily skin people, and this is cream based, so mostly dry skin के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Again, you can mix and match. If you have oily skin and if you need this one, you can use this. It's fine. I have a combination skin. I use both of them. Depends on my mood, but both of them are really good. For sensitive skin, I will not recommend because this has little bit of fragrance. So sensitive skin, you can patch test and you can research more. Other than that, the moisturizers are so good. The second one is by Lactocalamine. Now some products that I'm recommending I don't have here because most of the time I just get over with it and then I throw away, I like dump away the product, overall the packaging. Lactocalamine is very good for sensitive skin people. It is very light kind of moisturizer, and that has that humectant, that also has that kind of clay. So if you have oily skin, pimple prone skin, acne, basically if you have those active acne, that is something that you can just try because it has really good ingredients, very simple ingredients that can work on most of the skin issues, and very simple. That is something that if you are just dealing with like which moisturizer to pay kare pata nahi hai, Lactocalamine, just go with it. Now they have versions also. They have for oily skin, they have that green bottle, they have also that purple one. So I use myself the purple one. That is mostly I guess recommended for oily skin wala people. It has that clay based thing, so it is going to really, basically it's very good for oily prone skin and acne prone skin wala people, because that has those ingredients to kill the bacteria on your skin, building up for the acne. It is very good. Okay, the third one is by Biotic. This is their Bio Nectar moisturizer. This is something that I've talked about so much in my recent videos. This is very good moisturizer, but only the thing I have talked again in that most of my videos that it has fragrance. So sensitive skin people will not like this because the fragrance is very strong. इधर चढ़ जाता है. But underneath makeup, I love to use this underneath makeup. It is very gel kind of, मतलब इसका जो formula है ना, it is kind of very gel, मतलब एकदम cream based formula thick नहीं है. It is light, but it also hydrates and give you that moisturizing effect. Again, because of the fragrance, I don't use it on the regular basis. Plus, it doesn't have any kind of those active ingredient that is going to like work and do like stuff on your skin. Very regular day-to-day kind of moisturizer which you can wear. If you are okay with fragrance, you can go with it. But this has very high. I am okay with fragrance, yeah. But this has मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा है इसमें. Like I only feel like that thing like एकदम चढ़ जाता है. But I use this underneath makeup as I said, so it really sets your makeup बहुत अच्छे से. Again, if you don't have any issues with this अपना fragrance, you can just try this. Now the fourth one is by Nivea. That is the blue bottle. That is so good moisturizer. I think that is something that most of the people have not spoken about. I watch mixed makeup ki this Suzanne Yara. She is like one of the best person when it comes to skincare. She has so much of knowledge herself. She has worked. She has her own skincare and all that. She actually duped that moisturizer with the La Mer ka moisturizer. The La Mer ka moisturizer is so bougie. It is very expensive. It's like more than $50-60, I guess. I'm not sure. I can be wrong in that, but that is very expensive. and that La Mer wala moisturizer is used by a lot of celebrities, and she actually duped that with the Nivea moisturizer because of the ingredients. So mostly उसके जो ingredients है बहुत ही ज़्यादा, like more than 7 to 8 ingredients are same, and it is not going to give you the similar effect, but it is kind of similar to that moisturizer. Dupes is something that you have to go with the formulation, you have to go with the ingredients, then you can actually dupe it. And she is like one of the person that I actually trust about like millions and millions of followers. It is amazing that the blue, but the Nivea moisturizer which you get in India, that can be different because the manufacturer जो बाहर होता है उसके ingredients थोड़े different है. Even in that I have researched. So you can get, if you get the Nivea moisturizer from outside, if someone is coming and if you get it. So my friend that she got me when she was in Dubai, so she got me that blue one bottle, blue वाला 2 डब्बा रहता है, and I actually saw the ingredients of India वाला Nivea and the other outside वाला Nivea वाला bottle, and both of them का ना texture भी और अलग है, fragrance is different, the ingredient is also different. So if you can get the Nivea moisturizer from outside, that will be amazing. And that is actually a dupe for La Mer moisturizer. It is so thick, so good for dry skin people, and it is going to hydrate also skin. जो India में है, that is also good. It is not bad. But if you want that amazingness on your skin, that Nivea, if you get it from outside, it is so good. Highly recommend that Nivea moisturizer. But it is very good. Next one is Cetaphil lotion. Now Cetaphil ka moisturizer I'm recommending for mostly sensitive skin people and who have extremely acne prone skin, very severe acne, बहुत ही ज़्यादा दर्द होता है and all that kind of acne, red pearls वाला acne. Cetaphil का lotion is very lightweight. Now Cetaphil overall as a brand is recommended by doctors. It is like one of the best brand. No fragrance, no SLS, parabens वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. That is very good. But when it comes to moisturizer, they have very different types of moisturizer. So oily skin के लिए भी है, dry skin के लिए भी है, और they have cream based moisturizer बहुत ज़्यादा thick है. But why I'm recommending lotion, because it's under 200-185 का कुछ है. It's lotion, so it's very lightweight, gel based है, तो बहुत अच्छे से absorb भी हो जाता है, and that will also be very gentle on your skin. So if you have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, as I said, it is very good because उसमें कुछ fragrance नहीं है और बहुत ज़्यादा light है, thick बिल्कुल नहीं है. So it's going to hydrate. Again, if you have dry skin, Cetaphil में बहुत ज़्यादा hydrating वाले moisturizers भी है, you can go with that. That is also amazing. It is by Minimalistic. This is the moisturizer. Here you go. This is their Spesicam and Oat moisturizer. I have reviewed this in the past. Watch my review specifically. मैंने उसके ऊपर सब कुछ बताया है. What it does, what it has. Something that I've used completely and I love this. Very good for all skin type. I use this on a daily basis. This has those active ingredients. So it's going to moisturize, it's going to heal, and it's going to work on your problems that you have on your skin. That is what I always look in my products. If all these 3 things are there now, so it is like you are just getting the worth out of your money. Just लेके अप्लाई कर रहे हो और कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, doesn't make sense for me. I always purchase products that have ingredients that's going to do its job and also hydrate and stuff. It's amazing. That's the reason Biotic का जो moisturizer है, and I don't use it on a regular basis. I just use it under with my makeup because उसका वैसा texture है and it doesn't have any active ingredient. I need some kind of work going in my skin. Very good. It has hyaluronic. Basically, it is very hydrating on your skin. Very good. Watch my review if you want to know detailed about this. It is by Requel. This is the oil-free moisturizer. This is for normal to oily skin. Even dry skin people can use it, but this is very lightweight. So dry skin people, if you don't feel like wearing a lot of thick creams, you can go with this. Completely got over with this. Very nice moisturizer. I don't have to speak a lot about this. मैंने इसका review नहीं बनाया, but इसका जो texture है very light. This is again Dr. का base brand. Very good. No natak, no shusha going. Very simple, up to date kind of product, and it has very good ingredients in it. It has glycerin and it also really hydrates your skin at the same time. लगा भी पूरा list of ingredients मैं नहीं पढ़ने वाली, but again it's a very affordable, something 200-300 में आपको मिल जाएगा. But this is like no नाटक वाला moisturizer where it is going to hydrate, it's going to heal, it's going to work on your skin का issues. That kind of moisturizer, something that I will love to use. Again, it's dermatologically tested, very good. Again, doctors recommend it, so highly recommend this for mostly all skin type, but specifically अगर sensitive skin भी है, this is good for you. It is by Himalaya. So Himalaya का nourishing वाला जो moisturizer है, I will put a photo on the screen. So the moisturizer which is the green bottle, green tub वाला, that is very good, hydrating है. उसका the fragrance of that is not that overpowering. You can I absolutely completely got over with that moisturizer in the past. Yes, I also have a review on it. जो भी products का मैं यहाँ पे दिखा रही हूँ ना, उसके कोई भी review रहेंगे, I will put in the description. I have reviewed the Himalaya का moisturizer, the one which I'm showing you on the screen. It is so good. It doesn't have any active ingredients. मतलब उसमें कुछ ingredients नहीं है that is going to like do certain job, but it is good as a moisturizer just to seal the serum or any kind of essence if you're wearing. Very good underneath makeup, day, night, both both time you can apply. और हिमालय का सेम रिवाइटलाइजिंग नाइट क्रीम भी आता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस. दैट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट यू कैन यूज इट ऑन द नाइट एंड डे. इट इज वेरी जेल बेस्ड, बहुत ही ज्यादा लाइट वेटेड है. इट इज वेरी फास्ट एब्जॉर्बिंग एंड वेरी वेरी गुड. इट फील्स वेरी गुड ऑन द स्किन. लग्जरी वाला उसका जो बॉटल है ना, वो भी उसका जो टब है, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी लाइक ग्लास बॉटल एंड स्टफ. इट फील्स वेरी bougie. I also have reviewed that also in the past. That is so moisturizer that if you are starting initially with your with your skincare and stuff, just go with Himalaya, Pond's and these products. Good. That too moisturizer very good. Night wala you can use it in night, and day wala you can use it in day. Again, you can mix and match. It depends on you how you want to just work with your skin. Both of them are really good. One is by DermDoc, so that is the purple brand. में आपको purple वाले website में आपको वो brand मिल जाएगा. But that moisturizer in the past when I totally reviewed the whole products from DermDoc, that brand is very very affordable. मतलब 200 के ऊपर आपको products नहीं उनके brand के मिलेंगे. But the moisturizer which has hyaluronic acid in it, that is so good. I have reviewed DermDoc के products in the past. 2-3 products मैंने रिव्यू किए थे, पर उसका जो मॉइस्चराइजर था ना, आई लव दैट मॉइस्चराइजर. इट वाज सो लाइट वेट, वेरी नॉन ग्रीसी एंड इट वाज गिविंग सो मच ऑफ ग्लो ऑन माय स्किन. If you want to know more details, just watch that video. I will again link it in the description. That is something that mostly oily skin and combination skin can use because बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है. It is not going to really give like very thick, like वो जो feel देता है ना, like after applying moisturizer greasy feel, it will not give that. It has hyaluronic acid, very good. It has that ingredient of humectant, so it's going to hydrate your skin very अच्छे से. Very very good for oily skin people. Highly recommend. Last one is by Plum. So Plum के I'm gonna recommend you two. The first one is the green tea वाला. So green tea mattifying. This is the one. मेरे को sample size मैंने खरीदा था. So this is the Plum green tea moisturizer. So this is basically mattifying. So if you have extremely oily skin, it has green tea extracts. So it is very good for again acne prone skin and pimple prone skin. So basically it's going to fight that bacteria that is building up those acne stuff on your skin, but at the same time it is not going to itch your skin. आपकी skin में जो itchy feel होती है ना, इसे products लगाने के बाद वैसा लगेगा नहीं. It is nice but not recommend for any dry skin people. अगर आपको acne नहीं हो रहा है, सिर्फ लगाने के लिए मत लगाओ. If you actually face some issues, only go with specific products. So this is very good for again oily prone skin, and green tea is very good. It's antioxidants, so it's going to heal and give you that glow also on your skin. So highly recommend green tea moisturizer if you have oily skin and acne prone skin. And the last one by Plum is the recent purchase, and I love this product. That is the Plum Illuminous Deep Moisturizing Cream. Only this is the expensive out of all this, but if you buy in combo, you will just get it for something 349, 400 max. This is how it looks. I have started using it quite a bit. I hope you can see. So this is like a deep moisturizing cream, but it doesn't feel greasy on your skin. बहुत ही ज़्यादा thick moisturizer है, but it doesn't feel that oily, sticky on your skin. This has very good ingredients. This is like that brightening moisturizer. So if you use it on a regular basis, you're gonna see a lot of difference in your skin in terms of glowiness and radiant in your skin. I use this underneath makeup. Underneath makeup also, it is very good. I use it every single night and day. That is how much like I'm trying this. It's been almost a week that I'm using it. I'm recommending. That's why मैंने इसका review नहीं बनाया है. This is recommended for dry skin and very dry skin, but I am combination skin and I'm loving it. That means it's amazing. ठीक है, oily skin can use this during winter season. As I said, this is थोड़ा expensive, but if you just look at the packaging यार, उसमें भी आप you can't talk about it much. So highly recommend. Skincare is very important and it is something very 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 personal. You have to know what is your needs, what is your what you want from your skin and all that. Then go with products. Okay, so there are products which has vitamin C, vitamin E, glycerin. So if you want glowiness, go with vitamin C, vitamin E wale base moisturizers. If you want moisturizers for acne prone skin, go with salicylic acid or go with this hyaluronic acid wale moisturizers, oil free moisturizers. So if you see the ingredients and if you purchase your products now, it will do its job and that will actually be very good and gentle on your skin also. If you have dry skin and if you are using salicylic acid, very bad, because salicylic acid is mostly recommended for acne prone skin, and if you have dry skin, how can you use salicylic acid? That is not going to do much on your skin. Okay, it is going to exfoliate, but if you use it on a regular basis, it will really dry out your skin very much. So have knowledge about your skincare ingredients, also very very important, and read before purchasing your products, very important again. Okay, I hope that you liked my video. All the products link will be in the description, so you can check it out and definitely give me a thumbs up. That will mean a lot. Again, follow my pages, everything will be linked, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.